If you've noticed your energy bills creeping higher each month, the culprit might be right in front of you, your windows. Old, drafty, or damaged windows can drain energy from your home, making your heating and cooling systems work overtime. In a place like Sanford, where temperatures can swing between hot summers and chilly winters, energy efficiency is especially important. Replacing your windows can have a huge impact, saving you money while making your home more comfortable. Here's how window replacement in Sanford can help boost your home's energy efficiency. First, modern windows are built with advanced materials and technology that help keep conditioned air inside your home. Double or triple pane glass, filled with insulating gas, acts as a strong barrier against the outdoor temperatures. Low-E coatings on the glass reflect heat in the summer and retain warmth during winter, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. These features work together to create a stable indoor environment, so you won't have to keep adjusting your thermostat. Energy-efficient windows also do a better job at preventing drafts. Over time, older windows can develop leaks around the frame, letting outside air sneak in and making your system work harder to keep things comfortable. New windows, professionally installed with modern sealing techniques, close those gaps and eliminate these unwanted drafts. This means fewer cold spots in the winter and less hot air creeping inside during the summer. Another way window replacement helps is by reducing solar heat gain. In Sanford's sunny climate, too much sunlight coming through outdated windows can turn your home into an oven. Modern energy-efficient windows have specialized coatings and tints that block harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to brighten your rooms. You get the beauty of daylight without the damaging heat that bathes furniture or forces your air conditioner to run constantly. Beyond the energy savings, upgrading your windows adds comfort and peace of mind. New windows reduce outside noise, giving you a quieter home. They're also easier to operate and clean, and many options come with enhanced security features for extra protection. Altogether, you get a safer, quieter, more comfortable home, all while saving money on monthly energy costs. From an environmental standpoint, replacing your windows in Sanford is a smart move. By reducing your energy consumption, you're lowering your carbon footprint and helping preserve natural resources. It's a responsible investment that benefits both your family and the planet. Homeowners in Sanford often hesitate to replace windows because of the upfront cost, but it's important to see this project as an investment. New windows can pay for themselves over time through lower utility bills. In addition, many homes see a boost in resale value thanks to updated, energy-efficient windows, which appeal to potential buyers who value comfort and long-term savings. If you're thinking about replacing your windows, look for ENERGY STAR certified products. These meet strict government standards for energy efficiency and will help you get the most savings for your investment. Also, choose a trusted local contractor who understands Sanford's climate and can recommend the right window types and installation techniques for your home. In the end, window replacement is one of the best ways to make your Sanford home more energy efficient. It improves comfort, lowers your bills, and supports a healthier environment. If your windows are showing their age, consider making the switch. You'll feel the difference right away, and your budget will thank you in the long run.